Or you actually have to lift up. There you go. Sure, you pop the piece in. I'll pry it. I could do that.
No, I'm prying and you're popping pieces. I'm doing the less work here.
I don't know how I'm gonna have to reach it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, pry it. I don't know how I'm gonna reach it. I can't get under the bars.
Is it gonna slide in there?
Fuck. I'm going.
Oh, fuck, it's like just a little bit too. That little pieces of metal might be holding you up also.
Yeah.
It's like almost. It's like it almost might be too.
It's a little too thick.
Alright, you know what? No, it's little pieces of metal probably holding you up. Hang on. I'll give you a.
God, it's always something. Nothing is ever easy when it comes to cars. Unless you work on them like every single day. That was a good idea I came up with though, prying it like that. That was me who said that.
Your idea?
That was, I think so.
Yeah. Well, just stick that in there and try
to file it out.
Yeah, file the little pieces. I kind of poked them in there. I kind of pushed them in.
I think they're at the bottom, aren't they?
Yeah. Go back and forth, like in there. Yeah.
I want to cut my hand. I'm not great in my left hand either, so this is kind of awkward for me.
450. So if we decide we want to go back, all right, now see if that piece fits in there again. I don't know if you. Hopefully you got the little spur or whatever the fuck was going on.
What spare?
The spur. Here, I'll go this way. Go ahead. The little burr. Unless that piece is just a little too big.
I think it's just a little too big.
We got 10 minutes to get there. It is. Yeah, I think it is.
Alright, let's hurry back. Fuck. Bitch.